Good morning. Bhutan government yesterday gave out a statement, and it clearly the statement says that Bhutan government has not stopped any water channel between Bhutan and India as per the stated by some media reports. So we can clearly get an indication that the media reports which we are seeing few days back, that which says the Bhutan government had stopped water to India, and now Assam is facing irrigation problem, and now after Nepal, Bhutan is also showing eyes to India, etc., etc. So the Bhutan foreign ministry's statement clearly reject all the media reports which tries to divide or try to misunderstand, create a difference between the two countries, Bhutan and India. Now, Bhutan foreign ministry clearly said the people of Bhutan who stays along the side of border, Indo border, between the along the side of border with India, has got a special and deep relationship and a friendly relations with the people who are staying nearby. Now this happened because we have seen a protest. Where hundred of farmers in a Baksa district, along with Indo Bhutan border, Assam, where they have staged a protest when they were facing a water shortage because of the irrigation problem. And the farmers in Bhutan, from Bhutan to India, there are lots of rivers. There are different rivers flows from Bhutan to India, and farmers of Bhutan and India, they use the farmers of India and Bhutan borders. They use Dong Band since 1953, and this channel have been used for farmers for Bhutan and India to use water from several rivers that comes originated from Bhutan, and it flows through the region towards the Brahmaputra. So this Dog Band is used from since 1953 between the from Bhutan and the an Indian farmer. So there are lots of rivers which flows. I'm again saying there are lots of rivers flows from Bhutan, and it comes to India, and it mixed at the end it goes to Brahmaputra river. Now when this during this there are lots of there are lots of irrigations happens along the border of Bhutan and Assam. Now there are lots of small barrage has been done by both the Bhutan side and the Indian side to avoid floods and proper irrigation, etc., etc. So now the foreign ministry, the Bhutan foreign ministry clearly stated that stopping irrigation water supply to Assam is totally baseless as per the Bhutan, and it is a deliberate attempt. The Bhutan foreign ministry clearly said there are some people who are trying to create a deliberate attempt to cause misunderstanding between the people of Bhutan and Assam, means people of Bhutan and India. So Bhutan foreign ministry clearly said that there are some people who is trying to create difference. Otherwise, Bhutan has not stopped any water channels or not stop any river water which may cause a problem to irrigation to Indian farmers. And at the same time, Assam Chief Secretary, the current Assam Chief Secretary said that the current problem of water supply from Bhutan is due to natural blockage, and Bhutan government is trying to fix it up. Now again I am saying there are lots of rivers which flows from Bhutan to India, and one of the natural blockage that Bhutan government is talking about is that due to heavy monsoon, and sudden rise of water level facing causing lots of challenges, and heavy machineries are there, are on the standby, and Bhutan government is trying to clear all the blockage through the wherever there's a problem. Now there are Indian, because of the, so you can see if the channel has got some blockage, for example due to heavy monsoon, that needs to be pulled out, the blockage needs to be cleared, and for that heavy vehicles are on standby mode because of the monsoon. That is one case. And the second is that due to this pandemic, due to the COVID pandemic, Bhutan and the Indian government, the border is totally sealed. So the Indian engineer will go to that side and clear the blockage, then only the water will flow from the channels. Now but the Bhutan government is saying because due to this COVID, the border is sealed, they are trying to solve the problem by themselves, so that the Indian engineers should not come to the Bhutan and do it. So they are trying their best to clear the blockage as soon as possible, and they will release some water to Assam, and they are saying to the people of Assam also to be cooperate with them. So it is clearly seen that there is no, the Bhutan has not stopped any water to India. There are some people who got very excited to see get the news that the Bhutan has stopped water, and the Twitter trend was showing hashtag Bhutan. But after the yesterday, when the Bhutan Foreign Ministry gave the statement, everybody kept quiet. That by it's not like that. There will be lots of speculation, and there will be lots of propaganda is going on in Asian part after the face off between China and India. You often see, oh, Nepal is claiming Indian territories, their land. At the same time, we find that Nepal having a problem with borders of Bihar. We have seen. So there is some propaganda. There will be some news, and there are some national political parties within India will do all this thing, and they will raise questions. But so before going into the details of the India of any news, we should do some research. Then only we should trend hashtag Bhutan or something like that. But we should understand that India is a very big market, and India's contribution to the world during the time of pandemic should not be forgotten, because India did a lot for all, and Bhutan knows we have a very good ties with Bhutan, and this kind of news that stopping water and will only make the propaganda people happy. But Bhutan Foreign Ministry clearly stated it is due to the natural blockage, and due to this COVID problem, the Indian engineers could not come, and the Bhutan government is trying their best to remove the blockage. It is something like that. So we have a very good tie-up with Bhutan. We don't have any problem with Bhutan, and we have very, very, very strong relation with Bhutan. Whoever thinks that India and Bhutan is having problem, so yesterday's Bhutan Foreign Ministry statement gave them the clear picture. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thank you very much.